Well, welcome to Cleveland Now. I'm Beth McLeod, and today we're on the road. We're in Northeast Factory Direct with Alex, the owner. And Alex, this is an awesome place. It is a huge place. You have a lot of things here.
Not a fancy place. We don't have a high rent retail area. We buy everything by the truckloads. It's a big warehouse with really nice stuff at half the price.
It's my kind of store. We've got furniture, recliners, dining room sets, bedroom sets, hot tubs, and kitchens, all under one roof.
Pretty simple.
Tell me about this.
First of all, our mattresses, nobody's going to touch what we do. You can get a 10-piece cherry sleigh bedroom set here with a pillow top mattress for like $15.99.
Really?
Or like, it would normally cost $5,000, $6,000 anywhere you go.
So then you come in there, you get your sleep, you can watch some sports on your beautiful recliner, and then you can come relax in your hot tub.
I get so excited about these because the money we save people on these, for example, one we sell for $3,900, normally at the stores is like $7,900.
Oh my goodness.
It's great.
How are you doing that?
Well, we buy them by the truckload. We don't mark them up anywhere near that the stores do because we don't have to. And we're diversified because we sell high-end sectionals, recliners, and kitchen cabinets all under one roof. We're not seasonal.
Is this sale every day?
Yeah.
So you don't have to spend your holiday coming shopping.
There's no 55% off today only, no payments till you're 2025. I mean, it's just low prices. Nobody's going to touch them. And you can go, we encourage people to shop around and see what's out there, and they come running back.
So when you said truckloads, sometimes in my mind I think it's discounted because it's from 3 seasons ago. Your stuff is
Everything's
beautiful.
Brand new. 2014, the newest models of anything. We try to stay on top of that. And the quality, solid wood, dovetailed, great warranties, because to be honest, we don't make enough money on this stuff to deal with problems. We just want referrals and repeat customers.
And so when you walk in the door, let me set you up for this, ladies. The kitchen cabinet display is fantastic. You have kitchen cabinets, granite countertops, and you have your own design center, so you make it easy.
The one thing we do invest in is our designers. They are unbelievable, and we'll do a free design at no charge for anybody that comes in.
So tell me some of the savings that you have there, because I'll tell you right now, I spent way too much on kitchen cabinets because we've already been talking prices. What are kind of some of the savings?
Just to give you an idea, we had a couple come in yesterday. They were quoted like $13,000 at one of the big box stores.
I believe that.
We were just under $4,000. We saved them enough to cover appliances, granite, and even a hot tub for their backyard.
I was going to say, you just got the husband a hot tub and the missus got a new kitchen. I like that.
It's really special what we have going on here.
So, fantastic store. You need to come in. There's one on the east side and the west side as well. But how do they get in touch with you?
You can go to our website, which is northeastfactorydirect.com. We have a lot of our prices listed on there.
We're going to go check out some of your recliners.
Go for it.
Awesome. See you there.